Hi everyone, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to talk about Shiba Inu and also talk about the entire markets as a whole right now. Things are not looking great, but I do want to talk about where we see some things going. Things might be a little rough for the next few weeks into July. I'll tell you why, and we'll get into some of those details. Also, new article out on Shiba Inu. We'll look at that and see as it relates to how that's going to impact us in the short term with Shiba Inu, some of the levels we're watching as well on the charts, and all of those sort of things. So before we jump into it, I do have to say eToro, this is the big news that we're watching right now. eToro just added Algorand, Matic, and BAT token, which is the basic attention token. This news came out earlier this morning. Now they did say here, as you can see on screen, don't worry, we hear you loud and clear. There's more crypto to come. So we do believe eToro could be adding Shiba Inu to the list. Who knows when, but we do believe it could be coming soon. And of course, we're still waiting on Coinbase Pro. This is the big one, right? We still await any kind of news. It would be great to have any kind of insight here and any kind of information from Coinbase Pro as to when we can expect Shiba Inu to be added to the platform. Eventually, we do believe it'll go from Coinbase Pro then over to Coinbase, right? So those are the two big exchanges we're watching. Certik AMA, they have also come out with some more information recently, and I'll take you over to my profile that I retweeted this a little bit earlier. So announcement, we have heard from the community. We always take into account their requests. Certik Security Leaderboard, follow them on Twitter. Upcoming Certik X Shiba token and Satoshi Kusama AMA coming soon. Stay tuned for more details. So there you go. That's another piece of information we've got this afternoon. But going back to eToro and Coinbase, these are the two big exchanges we're waiting to hear from. Two big catalysts lingering. This is a huge week for Shiba Inu, in my opinion. Shiba Swap also out there, right? Popular press starting to talk about Shiba Inu a little bit more. Voyager has just added Shiba Inu. That's a pretty big exchange. And so we'll have to continue to see and what we get. Now, you're going to want to stay in this video. If you're getting value already, make sure you like and subscribe. We're going to hop into the recent articles. We're also going to talk about a general kind of consensus of where the market is right now. So we're going to get into that as well. And before we do that, I'd like to invite you to come over and join us at the Patreon. If this is something that interests you, we've got the supporter level and insider level. If you want a private community where people are talking about crypto and stocks all the time, throwing different ideas out there, throwing articles out there, talking about what we're seeing, what we're hearing. If you want the insider package, that's going to give you buy and sell trade alerts. I will say today I went shopping, so I was messaging all the insiders. We've got 12 insiders already. We just launched this less than a week ago. And so if this is something that interests you, it will be down in the description. The link over to the Patreon. Come on over. Join us over there. We're having a great time. So, all right, so let's bounce over to this article, and then we're going to get into the entire market and kind of an update of where we're at right now. So this is from FX Street. They do a lot of updating on Shiba Inu. So this is a recent article just coming out pretty recently now. Shiba Inu price prediction. SHIB steadies as maximum downside limited to 10%. So it says inches closer to testing the May 19th low after primary moving average falls to resist selling. The SHIB volume not reflecting a mass exodus for the exits, just suggesting that selling is compelled by broader market weakness. And this kind of goes hand in hand with where we are right now with the entire crypto space, right? We'll come right back to this article in just a minute. We'll bounce over to CoinMarketCap, and you can see things are getting hammered right now. The entire market down over 10%. We've got Ethereum down at 1935. Bitcoin testing those 31,000, 30,000 lows that we saw during the crash not too long ago. Cardano well below $1.30. A lot of things on sale. Look at Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin down at 20 cents. This could free fall lower than 20 cents into the teens here this evening. So a lot of things on sale. Look at Chainlink already in the teens, $18, less than $20. Look at Matic at $1.21. Theta. There's so many things on discount right now if you're looking at it from a long-term investor standpoint. There's so many different buying opportunities right now. AMP is another one, down at 7 cents right now. Theta Fuel, we've talked about this one on the channel. So again, a lot of good opportunities here, and I know a lot of people going shopping right now. Look at Dogecoin down 26% in the 24-hour period. Let me know in the comments what you're doing. I'd love to hear from you. What are you doing while this market is down? Are you buying? Are you holding? Hopefully you're not selling, but let me know if you're doing that as well. What are some of the assets that you're liking right now? Let us know down in the comments here. And if you're getting some value already out of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. But let me go back to this article because it says SHIB volume not reflecting a mass exodus for the exits. It's suggesting that selling is compelled by broader market weakness. Okay, so we're getting, information. We have some access to some high-end people who do some technical analysis, okay? And when talking to these people, they said that Bitcoin and Ethereum right now just losing a lot of traction, and it could be rough for a little while because of what's going on with Bitcoin mining, because of what's going on with the environmental impact of mining, right? So I just want to throw this out there, and I think it's, just me being upfront with you. We could be in store for a pretty rough June and July, but I do think come August, September, I think things will come back for us. I do think we're in for the next weeks to be pretty rough, okay, overall in the market. What that means for things like Shiba Inu, it's going to be rough in the market, right? If Bitcoin and Ethereum are going through some of these rough patches, we'll continue to see rough patches with the altcoins. And so let's continue on here, and we'll continue to update that as we go along, but I just wanted to throw that tidbit in there. Again, I'm not perfect with technical analysis, not in the slightest bit, but I do know people who are, and they're saying that this could be pretty rough for a few weeks. I just want to throw that out there. Shiba Inu price sowing seeds of doubt among the meme token faithful. So from June 11th low to June 15th high, Shiba Inu price successfully tested the May 19th low of that 607 level. Okay, so Shiba Inu price has declined almost 35% since then from the June 15th high, leaving behind the symmetrical triangle apex and the temporary support discovered at the 54-hour simple moving average. Considering the bearish SHIB price action over the weekend and today, investors' trade direction should be cautious, with an eye on the May 19th low of 607, followed by the June low of that 55 level. Remember, we got down there as possible support levels. These are levels to watch. If you get down in here and it's stabilizing, it might be a good time here to add on to your positions, okay? Even as we're going down, if this is something you truly believe in, these are buying opportunities for a lot of assets, so keep that in mind. So we've got, if both SHIB prices levels fail, both of these prices we just listed fail, market speculators should acknowledge the next support at 138% Fibonacci downside of that 0354 level, equating to a 48% decline from the current Shiba Inu price. So if we do drop past this last support level of 0550, things could go really free-falling to that 0354 level. Just so these are some important levels to watch. Now on the upside, here's some levels we're looking at. 0760 as well as the 0815 level. The path to a meaningful SHIB rally also includes the triangle's apex at the 0888 level, representing a 30% gain from the current price. We have a lot of positive things going on, and I say this a lot and I'll say it again. I just want some of these positive catalysts to come to fruition. Things like Shiba Swap, things like Coinbase Pro. Will it have big impacts on the price right now? Maybe not with the market down, but I do think over time those sort of things will come into play. eToro, Coinbase Pro, Certik, Shiba Swap, popular press articles, all of those things are going to help us in the long term. So if you got some value out of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate you stopping by the channel again. Let me know down below in the comments, what are you buying? What are you selling? What are you holding? I'd like to know from you. I'd like to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next video.